Hi to YouTube, it's your buddy Ian for the Fix My House channel, and on this channel we fix your house. And in this video we're going to go through another flush mount LED light option. Let's do it. Okay, so if you've watched my other LED light videos, which are right here, you know that I really like these flush mount LED lights, but there are other options out there. And the main difference with this flush mount LED light, which I have installed in this kitchen, is that it's going to require a junction box. So this is actually a great setup, a great light to use if you already have existing junction boxes, possibly lights you don't like and you want to swap them out to something that looks a little bit more like a can light or a flush mount light like this. That's going to be the main requirement. This is what a junction box looks like. The details of this light are right down here. Let's take a look at this light. Again, consult an electrician if you're not sure how to do wiring or you're not comfortable with it. So first off, everything's accessible by just twisting off this cover right here. This is just a plastic cover that comes off really easily. Now we've got all the LEDs right in here in a circle. So you can see all those, the light's currently on. The light mounts with two screws, one here and one here. And what's really nice about it is that it just twists once it's been wired up onto these two screws, just like all other fixtures do. So I'm just turning it. I've already loosened these screws up. Should just drop down, got to get it in the right spot. Okay, so this is on, it's obviously live. And here's the wiring, as you can see right here. It's got this nice foam pad in the back, so it just easily compresses to the ceiling. Works really nicely. The junction box, which you're already aware of, is tucked right up here and everything's already all wired up. You've got a screw here and a screw here, and that's how most lights attach to a junction box. But I really like this flush mount light because it has an extremely long lifetime. I believe it's somewhere around 45 years, so you're never going to need to replace this light. And they're rather affordable considering what you're probably spending if you're replacing bulbs and can lights. And they just install really easily. So let me show you now the two screws in the junction box up here. So the way we'd go about installing this is the wires are already coming down and usable. We've got our hot ground and neutral. And we're just going to wire it up. Everything's tucked in there. And then I'm just going to come back here and grab these two screws. There's one, there's the other one. I'm going to twist. And then I'm just going to come back and tighten those screws up. Okay, we have the screws all tightened up and ready to go. Now we're going to put the plastic cap back on. Just a couple slots that it pops into right there. The light's back in and it's all set. Hope this video helped on your choosing an LED light journey. I'm Ian from Fix My House. Like, subscribe, more DIY tips right over here. Have a great day.